Students, in this video we are going to see application on cardinality of sets. For that we have to recollect or learn some results. If A and B are two finite sets, then first result n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Second result is n of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. This you can see from the diagram. A minus B, it's in A set. So except A intersection B, the rest is A minus B. So A minus B and A intersection B have no common elements. Third one, in similar way, n of B minus A is equal to n of B minus n of A intersection B. Fourth one, n of A dash is equal to, that is other than A, n of A dash is equal to n of U minus n of A. From this, we are getting some notes. From the first one, we can write n of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. Like that, from the fourth one, we can write n of U is equal to n of A plus n of A dash. Third one, if A and B are disjoint sets, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. Since disjoint means no common elements, so n of A intersection B will be 0. For any three finite sets A, B, C, we can write the result as n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. All these results you have to mug up. It's very important. Further, just you have to recollect few more things from this diagram, Venn diagram. Let us consider the following results which will be useful in solving problems using Venn diagram. Let three sets A, B and C represent the students from the Venn diagram. Number of students in only set A is equal to A. Only set B is B. Only set C is C. The total number of students, only one set means A plus B plus C. Total number of students in only two sets, that is the places are X plus Y plus Z. Number of students exactly in three sets is the middle one, it's R. Total number of students in at least two sets. At least two sets means what? Two or more. In that case, we are getting X plus Y plus Z plus R. Then, total number of students in three sets. You have to add all the possibilities. A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z plus R. This is the result for total number of students in three sets. Now we are going to see exercise 1.6. First problem, first subdivision. If n of A is equal to 25, n of B is equal to 40, n of A union B is equal to 50, n of B dash is equal to 25. Find n of A intersection B and n of U. Given n of A is 25, n of B is 40, n of A union B is 50, and n of B dash equal to 25. We need n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B, which is equal to 25 plus 40 minus 50, which is equal to 40 minus 50 is minus 10, 25 minus 10 is 15. Now we need n of u. N of u is equal to n of b plus n of b dash. N of b value is 40 plus n of b dash is given as 25, that is equal to 65. This is the required number of elements in U. Second subdivision, if n of A is equal to 300, n of A union B is 500, n of A intersection B is equal to 50. N of B dash is equal to 350. Find n of B and n of U. Given n of A is equal to 300, n of A union B is equal to 500, and n of A intersection B is 50. Also they given n of B dash is equal to 350. We know the result. N of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. A union B value is 500, n of A is 300, n of B we have to find, minus n of A intersection B is 50. Therefore, n of B is equal to 300 minus 50 is 250, that is 500 minus 250, that is equal to 250. Also we have to find n of U. N of U is equal to n of B plus n of B dash, which is equal to n of B value we got it as 250 plus n of B dash is 350. While adding that we are getting 600. Now the second question, they given UAB, then verify n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Given U is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. A is given as 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. B is equal to 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. From this we can find A union B. Both the sets together, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. Therefore, n of A union B is equal to, just you count the numbers, it's 7. Then A intersection B is equal to the common elements 2, 8 and 10. Therefore, n of A intersection B is equal to 3. Also, n of A is equal to 5, n of B is equal to 5. Now we have to verify the formula. N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, which is equal to 5 plus 5 minus 3 equal to 7. 7 is equal to n of A union B. Therefore, it's verified. Now the third question, verify n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. The given first subdivision, given A is equal to ACEFH, B is equal to CDEF, and C is equal to ABCF. Now we have to find A intersection B, that is equal to common element for A and B, C, E, F. Then B intersection C, common for B and C, C, F. Then C intersection A, from A and C, A, C, F, and A intersection B intersection C, common for all the three. Here it's C is in all the three and F, set C comma F. Therefore, n of A is 5, n of B 4, n of C 4, n of A intersection B, it's 3, n of B intersection C, B intersection C we have two elements, n of C intersection A, that is 3 elements, n of A intersection B intersection C, that is 2 elements. Now we have to verify the formula. Now we can write n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C, which is equal to n of A 5 plus 4 plus 4, then minus n of A intersection B value, it's 3 minus 2 minus 3, then plus n of A intersection B intersection C, that is 2. Now we can add all the positive values, which is equal to, it's 9, 13, 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. Here actually we didn't find A union B union C. Also A union B union C is equal to, we have to put all the 3 sets together, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, H, which implies N of A union B union C is equal to 7. Therefore, we are getting this is equal to N of A union B union C. Therefore, we verified the formula. Second subdivision, A, B, C are given. Now we can find A intersection B common for A and B, that is 3, 5. Next is B intersection C common for B and C, that is 5, 6. Next is C intersection A common for C and A, 1, 5. Then A intersection B intersection C common for all the three, which is only 5. Also you find A union B union C. So we are getting it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, N of A is equal to 3, N of B it's 4, N of C it's 4. Now N of A intersection B, which is equal to 2, N of B intersection C it's 2, N of C intersection A, that is also 2. Now N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 1, then N of A union B union C, that is equal to 6 elements. Now we have to verify. Now we have to verify the formula. You consider N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. This is equal to N of A value is 3 plus B value is 4, C value is 4 minus N of A intersection B, it's 2 minus 2 minus 2, then plus N of A intersection B intersection C is 1. Now we can simplify. This is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 4, that is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 6, which is equal to 6, that is equal to N of A union B union C. Now we verified the formula, therefore it's verified. We are going to solve the rest of the problems from this exercise, that is the statement sums, in the next video. All the best. May God bless you. We can meet in the next video.